All right, so today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new pair of shoes, but before we get into that, make sure to like, subscribe, and also song of the day. Gonna have to give it to a Juice WRLD leak called EXO, and I just discovered this leak, I would say maybe like a month or two ago, and it is slowly becoming one of my favorite Juice WRLD leaks. You guys should definitely go listen to it. Just look up on YouTube like Juice WRLD EXO leak, or just go on Spotify, Apple Music. You guys should be able to find it, man. I personally listen to it on Spotify. That's why it's under like a weird name. You guys will see it up there. Amazing song. You guys should definitely go listen to it. And yeah, let's actually take a look at these shoes. Okay, so we're gonna be taking a look at a pair of Air Force Ones. We got the Skeleton Air Force Ones, and these actually came out last year. I got a size 9.5. Retail was $130. They go for around $300, around $300 to $330 depending on your size, brand new. I actually got this for around half the price. I paid $150, and the reason I paid $150 is, you guys could probably tell, I got them used. And here, let me actually take these out the box. There's nothing special inside, and yeah, these were used. I got them on GOAT, obviously, and as you can tell, the bottoms aren't too bad. There is a little bit of star loss, I believe, on this shoe over here. So a little bit of star loss, and on the back there is some heel drag, but overall the condition isn't too bad. And for $150, basically 50% off, you know, that's a good deal in my opinion. The only problem is that there is a little bit of creasing right there, which the seller did, you know, show. So I knew about that. I knew about the heel drag. I knew about pretty much everything. And these came in like perfect condition, just like the pictures. And I actually already cleaned them, so don't be worried. The bottoms were a little bit more dirty, but you know, I was able to use shoe cleaner, you know, be able to clean that. So the bottoms are clean. I even grabbed like these like crepe pills or whatever to put it inside the shoe so it doesn't smell. They didn't even smell before, but you know, I'm just making precautions, man. I sprayed the insole with Lysol, so you know the inside is clean. And here, let me actually take out this thing. You can see that the inside is actually the top of a foot, so you know, really solid shoe, man. Just the x-ray of a foot. On the back, you have that Nike Air. The bottom of the shoe does glow in the dark, in case you guys did not know, so just that part. Lace tips are just all white, which has to be one of my favorite features of the shoe, weirdly. I really like how they added white and like this little Air Force One thing right there. And also on the Nike Air Force One tag, it's all in bones, so you know, it's pretty cool. This is basically the exact same pair as the orange and white pair, you know, obviously just different colors, so there isn't really too many differences. Really solid shoe though. Here, let me show you guys the shoe by itself. Here, let me take that out actually. These work really well, by the way. Crepe Protect pills, you know, it makes the shoe smell nice and good. In case you guys are wondering, go true to size on all Air Force Ones, man. The reason I only go half a size up is because I do get crease protectors, so that's why. But yeah, that's really the only reason why I go half size up. Overall, this is a really clean shoe. I really like it. They did get here a little bit late for Halloween, so I wasn't able to, like, you know, make a video on it and, you know, just take a picture in it, but I'm glad I was able to add these to the collection, man. Really solid. Obviously I'm gonna have to fix how these were laced, because that is not my favorite, but you know, overall really solid shoe. And let me show you guys the shoe on feet, but before we do that, make sure to like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and yeah, let's take a look at these on feet.